Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Gonna pull out some of my old pliers, and a few of them I have on eBay, but I'm gonna find all the pliers that I have currently right now and just give them a once over with some mineral oil and take a look at them, get to know them once again, and let's take a look. I've got a bunch of pliers to show you, and started off here. I've already sprayed them with a little bit of mineral oil. I'm just giving them a quick rub down, giving them a little attention. I haven't seen any of these in a while, so this one's a K38 Diamond Duluth, USA. Nice little set of pliers here. I'm not sure if this is considered a plier. I don't even know what these are called. You guys can let me know. There's the maker's mark. It looks like BMC MFG. This would be something I'm looking into getting this paint off of. And it's got this plastic thing right here, though. I'm kind of worried about if I put paint thinner on it or whatever, but we'll see. I got these parrot nose or battery pliers here. 2116 Durachrome. These are channel locks. Kind of bent on the nose there. Meadville. Got these needle nose here. Let's see if there's a maker mark. Let's see. These don't have a maker's mark. These ones, let me see here. It's hard to make that one out there. Anyway, on to the next one. These are some Pexto stove pliers. Yeah, I really like these ones a lot. These are cool. And we got some Lexus Japan pliers. I'm not sure what the name of these are. These are probably some like hose crimpers or something like that. We got I can't make that out. Let me see if we could get closer. Tough to read that. Got some Crowders 1660 dash. Looks like an 8 or a 6. Some nice needle nose pliers there. Got some with the bent nose here. These are Utica's 9-6. Made in USA. And these ones are, looks like it says Premier, drop forged. Nice grip. All made in Japan. Got some very thin needle nose pliers here with the spring in them. Channel Lock USA. Got the old green grips on them. I like these ones. And we got some duckbill pliers. Palmer 768. Got some grip there. Another pair of Uticas. T6 76 USA. Forged Steel USA. These pliers have an interesting look to them. I really like them. I guess they're just a needle nose plier and a wire cutter. And last, got a pair of rusty pliers with okay, there's some on there. Okay. Oh gosh, let me see here. I can't not read that. Alright, having trouble getting a reading on this last one here. Sorry about that, guys. It says forged in USA on there as far as what I can read. And we'll just go with that. Okay, one more look. Okay, it just says forged in USA, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.